Rigathi needs 17 senators.
Dono kuhaguka marahaguka goko ground wana ni guoka kuri impeachment motion ya Rigathi Gachagua in the next step ya kuria bunge ya Senate kuria Gachagua is expected wikinya bunge-ini yo kiumia giukite gwitetera thutha wa MPs gukorwo makimuhagura. Talk of the town is kana hihi DP Gachagua ari na enough number ya senators to save him. Senator aria marecirithirio no makorwo makihonokia DP Rigathi Gachagua maratongorio ni Senator mathiaga nake kamwe. Senator Medho wanaonekana hamwe na DP in many occasions. Kwa hiyo hamakiria goko ground riria gwatuika ati senators makinya 11 ni macemanirie na DP Gachagua as he prepares for his journey kuria bunge ya Senate kiumia giukite. DP Gachagua is required at least gukinya namba ya senators 17 aria mare in support of him. This photo of Gachagua with several senators Takathuri Murongi wa kuria Meru, Senator Medho, Tabitha Karanja, Senator Karongo wa Thang'wa egikinya namba ya senators 11 aria kuratuika ni sure bet hari gu save Rigathi Gachagua. Other senators expected to add to this number ni Senator Mwamure Karen Nyamu. If at all she will be allowed to vote kuona she is a nominated senator. Other senators aria makire 50-50 ni ta Senator Okia Omtata, who is an independent senator in many occasions where akoragwa ke depend na uria areshiriria. Senator Dan Manzo wa kuma kuria mwena wa Ukambani ni senator wekaine muno na kurehe motions shire against President William Ruto bunge-ini ya Senate, koguo gatweka vote yake gigikorwo ikiri in favor of Rigathi Gachagua. He will add to this number. Senator Oge urakorwo agitanyo no aingire gikabu-ini giki kuongerera na beno kuma 11 nginya 17 ni Senator Kamau Thuku wa kuria Lamu, kuona he is the son of the mountain, koguo seems he might also be in favor of DP Gachagua, with the senators in support of Gachagua makionekana gukorwo makiongerereka ugitweka ati Mount Kenya senators are not behaving like the MPs from Mount Kenya and they are in support of their own. It's something we gotta wait until next week tukione uria gukihana no nginyagia ihinda riri gugutigira these photos iria ciagikorwo igitherema guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria ugitweka these senators makinya 11 ni ukumataranio magite na kamushamanio na DP Rigathi wa Gachagua ugitweka they are in support of him wana ni guoka kuri bunge ino ya Senate. And we know many motions shitwekaga stopped at the Senate level in Kenya and even in the USA. We have seen that happening. Koguo ni kaundu tugukorwo tugieterera next week to know what is gonna happen. Will Rigathi be saved by the senators kana ona o senator ni magukorwo makiuga the evidence is enough and he ought to go out. Tuchamane in our next one.